The Furnulem Tall Nightstand FNL-001 is a versatile piece, featuring adjustable outlets and shelves that provide ample storage and organization options for your bedside essentials. With its 3 fabric drawers and 4-tier open shelves, this nightstand offers a generous amount of space to store books, family photos, and more, making it a practical addition to any bedroom. The LED lighting system with 7 adjustable colors allows you to customize the ambiance of your bedroom, adding a modern and cozy touch to your decor. Equipped with a charging station that includes 2 AC sockets and 2 USB ports, this nightstand ensures your devices are always powered and within reach. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Furnulem nightstand is both sturdy and durable, with a metal frame and wooden shelves that promise long-lasting use. Assembly is straightforward with all necessary parts and instructions included, making it easy to set up this multifunctional nightstand in any room.